When it snows, you better have a snow brush. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. It's not snowing quite yet, but it is brutally cold. About 22 degrees outside, and the snow is about to come. And so I wanted to be prepared and be able to get my car out, even if it's covered in snow. So I picked this up. It's a snow brush and it's extendable. And I thought I would just unbox it for you because you want to be prepared. Get all of your snow gear before you need it, and it's sold out everywhere. So first of all, this is my true unboxing, and I'm actually surprised. What we get here is a pair of gloves. They kind of look like gardening gloves. They have these little silicone dots in there, so should be able to hold things nicely. So that's kind of nice. Then we also get this, what looks like a very thick microfiber cloth here. So brush things away, kind of dry off things, especially if you get that moisture inside of your windows. I think that's going to be perfect for that. And then get a rubber or maybe silicone blade right there. And then we get a little storage bag right there. And so you'll have a place to put your snow brush when you want to throw it in your trunk. Now here's the brush itself. I've already showed you the blade. Here is the business end of it. I think that blade will slide in there. It looks like this can come out, and actually you kind of rotate it around. Then we have under here a couple other big pieces. So we have bars, and then we also have this big brush and sweeper attachment here. So I'm going to put this together and let's check it out. All right, so here are the pieces of the brush, a really big bristly side, and that blade, that rubber edge is right here, and we actually can pull off these edges here. So that rubber blade that comes in the box is actually a replacement in case this wears out, but it's pretty robust, so I don't think you're gonna have to worry about that too much. You can see that this piece pivots here. You just open it up like that, and then there are detents, so it'll hold it in place. So you can see how it's angled there. So it's really going to be kind of, you could push with it or pull with that. So I really like the ergos on that. And then to attach it, you just find this bar right here that will attach in there. It's the one with this little quick release up here. And you can't mess it up because these are all different sizes, so they will only fit one way. And then you have this little thumb release here to extend it out. That's what makes that expandable. And then you're going to take this end, find this bar, push that in just like that. Cool, that'll fit in there. And then you take this end and fit it right in there. So now on this end, we have that brush, and I can pull. And even if you have a big SUV or something like that, just deploy that like that, and now I can reach way out there. In fact, this whole thing right now is probably about 4.5, almost 5 feet long. It's pretty long, so that's pretty impressive. And then on this end, and I think this is the end that you will be more familiar with, is that this is kind of a scraper. So you can use this to scrape off ice and snow off your windows, glass, windshield. And what's really cool about this is that this little triangular piece here is removable and replaceable. So if I pull it out, just like that, you can see we have this little toothed edge. It kind of reminds me of an excavator. We have a big flat edge right there. You can see it's just a big flat edge. And then we have this slightly beveled edge, so it's got a little bit of a sharper edge to it. In fact, I would probably just use it like this, and you can push this back in, snap it in there, and then you have that edge right there. I like how robust that is. It's kind of big, so it should bust up ice and snow. So I can get in there, scrape the ice, flip this around, pull off the snow. This is definitely the most versatile snow brush I've ever had. And when it collapses here, it actually is only about, probably about 40 inches long, maybe a little over 3 feet long. So it should fit in your trunk just fine. But I tell you what, if you have a big car that you have trouble getting the snow off the top, you might be one of those guys that drives around, the snow's all cleared, but you have a big snow hat on the top of your car. Well, this will help you get that off so that it's not flying off, creating hazards for the people that are following behind you. If you want to stay safer on the road this winter when it's snowing, I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.